In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Artisul D22S Graphic Tablet. The Artisul D22S is a 21.5-inch graphic tablet featuring a high-definition screen designed for digital artists and designers. This pen display offers a large, clear canvas for drawing, painting, and editing, making it an ideal tool for creative professionals. Here are some of its key features and benefits in context with the user's interests in precision tools and high-performance electronics. The 21.5-inch screen provides ample workspace, allowing artists to see their creations in fine detail. This large display is particularly beneficial for intricate artwork and detailed designs. The tablet boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, offering exceptional precision and control. This high level of sensitivity ensures that the tablet responds accurately to varying pen pressures, enhancing the drawing experience. The included stylus is battery-free, eliminating the need for recharging and ensuring uninterrupted creativity. This feature aligns with the user's interest in reliable, high-performance tools. With a full HD resolution, the Artisul D22S delivers crisp, clear images, which is crucial for detailed work and color accuracy. This is similar to the precision offered by digital calipers, ensuring that what is drawn is what is seen. Number 2. XPPen Artist 12 Pro. The XPPen Artist 12 Pro is an 11.6-inch graphics tablet designed for digital artists, animators, and illustrators who require a reliable and precise tool for their creative work. This tablet features a display monitor, allowing artists to draw directly on the screen, which enhances the natural feel of sketching and painting. Key specifications and features include: the 11.6-inch screen offers a vibrant and accurate color display, providing a clear and immersive visual experience. This size is compact enough to be portable yet large enough to work comfortably. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the XPPen Artist 12 Pro can detect subtle variations in pen pressure, enabling highly detailed and nuanced artwork. This feature is crucial for achieving natural line thickness and opacity. The tablet supports tilt recognition, allowing for more dynamic and expressive strokes by detecting the angle of the pen. This is especially useful for shading and creating more realistic textures. The XPPen Artist 12 Pro includes customizable shortcut keys and a red dial interface, enhancing workflow efficiency by providing quick access to frequently used functions and settings. Number 3. UGEE 12 Plus. The UGEE 12 Plus is a digital pen tablet monitor designed for graphic artists and digital content creators, offering a blend of advanced features suitable for both beginners and professionals. Here's a detailed look at its specifications and potential use cases, especially in the context of the user's interests in precise measurement tools, fast chargers, and safety equipment. The UE 12 Plus boasts an 11.9-inch HD screen, providing ample workspace for detailed drawing and design tasks. The high-definition display ensures clear and crisp visuals. With 127% sRGB, the tablet delivers vibrant and true-to-life colors, which is crucial for artists who need accurate color representation in their work. The tablet supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise control over brush strokes and line weights, enhancing the drawing experience. It supports Windows, Mac, and Android, offering versatility for users who work across different operating systems. The tablet is designed for intuitive use, with features that cater to both seasoned professionals and newcomers to digital art. Number 4. UGEE S640W. The UGEE S640W wireless graphics pen tablet is a versatile tool designed to cater to various digital drawing and writing needs, making it an ideal addition for users interested in precision tools and high-quality digital devices. The UGEE S640W offers wireless functionality, providing users with the freedom to create without being tethered to their devices. This feature enhances portability and convenience, making it suitable for use with PCs and Android devices. With a 6-inch active drawing area, the UGEE S640W is compact and portable, allowing users to carry it easily. Despite its small size, it offers ample space for detailed artwork and writing. The tablet boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, enabling precise control over brush strokes and lines. This level of sensitivity is particularly beneficial for artists and designers who require accuracy in their work. The UGEE S640W is compatible with a wide range of devices, including PCs and Android systems. This versatility ensures that users can seamlessly integrate the tablet into their existing workflows. Designed with a user-friendly interface, the UGEE S640W is also suitable for children, making it a great tool for educational purposes and fostering creativity from a young age. Number 5. HUION KAMVAS Pro. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 12 is a high-quality digital drawing tablet designed for artists and creative professionals. Here's an overview in the context of its features and specifications. Compact and portable, the KAMVAS Pro 12 features a sleek and portable design, making it easy to carry and use in various environments, whether you're at home, in a studio, or on the go. Display quality, it comes with an anti-glare, HUION glass screen that reduces reflections and provides a clear, vibrant display, enhancing the overall drawing experience. Performance and functionality. Battery-free pen, the tablet includes a battery-free pen with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring precise and responsive drawing without the need for charging. Tilt function, the pen also supports tilt recognition, allowing for more natural and varied strokes, similar to traditional drawing tools. Technical specifications. Screen size, the KAMVAS Pro 12 offers a 12-inch display, providing ample workspace while maintaining portability. Resolution, the high-resolution display ensures detailed and accurate representation of your artwork. Connectivity, the tablet supports various connectivity options, ensuring compatibility with different devices and software. User experience. Enhanced drawing experience, the combination of high pressure sensitivity, tilt function, and HUION glass screen provides a natural and smooth drawing experience, making it ideal for detailed and professional level artwork. Versatility, suitable for a range of applications, from digital painting and illustration to graphic design and animation.